How to remove or drop out a teacher from teacher module. Open web Chrome browser. Write udisplus.gov in search bar and click on it. Now click on login for all modules. Now select state and click on go. Now log in for teacher module. Now enter username, enter password, enter captcha and login. Now click on go to fill the data, teaching and non-teaching. Now click on number 7 in blue background to enter in the teacher list. This is the teacher list. Now scroll down and select the desired teacher who has to left the school. Now click on left school. Now select reason and enter remarks. What is the best remark that suits to the teacher, and enter the last day in service school. Now the teacher will be left as you click on left school option to Dropbox and will be imported to the new school. Thank you.